Hi friends, welcome to Sada Learning Hub. You are with me Shadashirao. Today's session we are going to learn finding files in Unix. See, this video covers how to search the files in the file system by using the Unix command find. The find is the command. Now, the find command helps you to locate the files in the file system, which the find command you can search through any part of the file system looking for all files with a particular name. It is extremely powerful, and at the time it can be a lifesaver, but it is also rather than difficult to remember and to use. An example of a common problem that find can help solve this: locating a file that you can have misplaced. For example, if you want to find a file called, for example, file 1, but you cannot remember where you put it, you can use the find to search for it through all or part of your directory systems. The find command searches through the content of one or more directories, including all of their subdirectories. You have to tell find in which directory to start its search. To search through all your directories, for example, tell find to start your login directory. See here, find. The find command is used to find the files in a particular directory. You can mention where you want to find the file. See here, I can show one example. I'm I can show the one example here. I can show the one example here. I'm typing the pwd. In the pwd means it is showing something. Now I'm clicking on find space dot. Dot means the current directory, hyphen name cause file 1. It will be search. See here, dot hyphen name is no such file or directory. See here, the file 1, it is a local share trash files file 1. The file 1 is available in this location. It will be displayed like this, and also it is available in the root directory as well as it is available in the trash folder. These are the two places the file is available. The first argument is the name of the directory in which the search starts. If you see here, this is the name of the directory where the search will be start. In this search, it is the current directory. The second part of the command specifies the files or files to search for, and the third part tells to fill the parameters of any matching files. See here, to search the entire file system starts in the system's root directory represented by the slash. Slash is the root directory. If you want to search the file 1 from the root directory, we can give find. This is the root directory hyphen name. I'm giving the name of the file. After that, file 1. Just I'm entering. It is searching from the root directory. It is searching from the root directory, and it will display where the file 1 is available. It will be show where the file is available for all the places. It will find the files names file 1 anywhere in the file systems. Note that it takes a long time to complete the search for the entire search of this entire file. Search of this entire file. Also keeps in mind that find will skip any files or directories that is docs not in the permission denied to read. See here, some of the files it's not possible to read the directories. Why? Because it's going to the access denied. It is also some folders it's not possible to access the directories. And you can tell find to look at the several directories by giving each directory as an argument. The following command first searches the current directory and its directories, and then look into the temp or project its subdirectories. For example, I can show you here. I can give you one command find. First, I said to check it in the root directory. Check it in root directory. After that, I need to check in temp slash project. First it will be check it, first it will be check it from the root directory. After that it will be check it from, I can give this path. After that it will be check it from, after that it will first it checks the root directory. After that it will check it from slash home and slash sada, and it is the searching for the file called hyphen name file 1. It is searching from the first, it is searched from the root directory. After that it is searching from the home slash sada. See here in the root directory there is the two places the file 1 is available. After that it is searching from the home sada directory. It will be available in the two places home sada directory. Now this is the way to search the files. Now hyphen print, for example, I am giving the here it this do the same thing. You can use the wildcard symbols with find to search for files, even if you are not known then exact name. If you don't know the exact name, if you know the something, in that situation also we can use the wild characters. We can search the name files. For example, if you are not sure whether the file or looking for what's called file something 123. If you know how to add the data into, you can use the pattern star dot file one file dot star as the name of the search. For example, I don't know, I forgot the exact name of the file. For example, I am giving the dot star, means it starts with the file and ends with any character. It search with all these things. See here, this is from here, the starts with the file and ends with anything. It starts with file and ends with anything. It will shows the like that also. See, finally we can use the find. There is possible to use the wildcard characters also. The next one is find in the background. The next I'm going to discuss is how to find and delete the files, how to find the directory, how to find the by the permissions. If it is necessary, you can search through the entire systems by telling find the root directory or slash dot remember. Through that it can take a find a long time search through a large directory, and it is also subdirectories and searching the whole systems. Starting at root directory can take a very long time on a large file systems. If you need a command like this that will take a long time, you can use the multitasking of Unix to run it as a background job, which allows you to continue other work while find carries out the search. See here, to run the command in the background, you end it with an ampersand symbol. The following with the command like runs find in the background to search the whole file systems and send it to response back to the some particular file. We can use like this. The advantages of the running in the command in the background is that you can go on the run other commands without waiting the background job to finish. See here, finally we can run the command. This is the, for example, I am searching from the root directory. For example, one file I am searching from the root directory. In the root directory there is so many files and it takes so much time to search that particular file. In that situation we can make it do the search in the background process. Background process means if you want to search do the background process, just we can give end of the command just ampersand. For example, find, I am giving the find. I'm searching from the root directory. Root directory. I don't want to put the root directory. My system is very slow. I'm finding the root directory hyphen name. After that, I'm giving the file name file one. After getting the file one, I'm print two. I'm print two found found file name path. Just I'm putting ampersand symbol. If whenever we are putting ampersand symbol, the job will be run on the background process. The job will be run the background. We can do it in foreground, whatever you want do the tasks. This will task will be run into the background process. If you am putting on the click, it show this is the task number 4276. It will be run onto the background. The next I'm going to discuss about getting the information about the files. Sometimes you just want to know what kind of informations a file contains. For complete, you may decide to put all your shell scripts together in one directory. You know that the several scripts are scattered about the several directories, but you don't know their names, or you aren't sure you remember all of them, or you may want to print all of the text files in the current directory whenever their content. You can use the several of the commands already discussed to get the limited informations about the file's content, but the most of the complete and most useful commands for getting the informations about the types of the information contained in the file is the command file. Reports the type of the informations contained in each of the file you give it. The following now, if you put the see here, the process task 4276, it is running in the background process. After completion of this background process, it will be send it the response into the found underscore file name. Now I can see it. Is there any file created with the see here found underscore file name? If I can open this one, I can open this file. Is it really create? See here, these are these two places the file will be available. Now but whenever entering in the command, it will automatically immediately it terminates the command. After that, it going executed in the background process. Now I can show how to get the information about the all the files. A file I'm giving the star means whenever we are giving the file space star, it will display what are the files available into the root directory, current directory. It will display all the files under their types. See here, dead dot letters, it is an ASCII text. Desktop, it is a directory. Documents, it is the directory. Example dot desktop, it is the UTF-8 Unicode text. And coming to the file 4, it is the ASCII text. This is the way to display all the files and their types by using the command file space hash. These are the different ways to find the files. Finally, before I'm closing this one, again I can tell you how to search the files into the directories to find the files. If you see here, find command is used to find the files. Find space whatever wherever you want to search, give the search path. Here I'm searching from the dot slash 4. If you want to search from root directory, or if you want to search from any other directory, it's possible to give the multiple directories also. It completes the first directory and it will go to the second directory and it search for the file and it will go to the next directory, like that. Hyphen names means we are giving that name of the file. This is the way to find the files. The next one is how to find or delete a file. To find or delete the files, pass to hyphen delete option to find. This will delete the files with no undo as to careful. How to find a directory? To find the directory, specify the option hyphen type space d with find. See here I am giving the name. The name is to find the files. It is used to find the only files. If you are giving the hyphen type, it will search for the directories, it's not search for the files. If we are putting the hyphen d, it will search for the directories. If hyphen name is searching for the files. Now how to find the files by the permissions? To find the files by the permissions, use the hyphen param option and pass the values you want to search for. If you want to search the find files by permissions, just find dot slash this is the where you want to search, and give the name hyphen param with the 777. Which files are which files file permissions has the 777. All these files displayed at into the here. I can show you is it work fine or not. Now find, I am search it from root directory dot hyphen param hyphen perm 777 hyphen perm 777. See here, there is no file permissions with the 777 with the hyphen param. Maybe some other things are available. I'm check with this one. See here, these are the all the files with the permissions 700 with the 700 permissions. We can find with the file permissions also. If you want to search the directories, just we can go with find. I'm searching find hyphen type D. Find, I am searching from the root directory hyphen type. I am search for Sada Learning Hub directory. Sada LEARNING Hub. SADA Sada LEARNING Learning Hub. I am searching for the Sada Learning Hub. Find arguments to hyphen type should contains only one letter. Hyphen T. I think so. You can use hyphen T. Unknown predicate. Type TYPE. See here, the argument something is wrong. Hyphen type space D hyphen space type hyphen space D hyphen name. I'm giving like this. I'm searching for that one. See here, the Sada Learning Hub folder is available in the these two places. We can search for the directories. We can type the hyphen type D with the whatever the name we are giving at here. We need to mention the name at here. Otherwise, it can't give. I can try with delete the name at here. Is it work or not? See, so the name is the mandatory. We need to give the hyphen name. Otherwise, how to find this is the name. This is the way to search the directories by using the find command. And we can use the find command directly. We can put the hyphen name and give the file name. It will search for the files.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Sada Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then you take care. Bye bye.